Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this video we will learn about SQL Where clause, order by. So let's get started. The where clause is used to filter records. It is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specified condition. And the syntax for that is select column 1, column 2 and more from table name, then where condition. For example, let's select all customers from USA. To do that, let's type select asterisk symbol from customers where country is equals to USA. Now if we compile this, it displays all customers from the country USA. SQL requires single quotes around text values. Most database systems will also allow double quotes. However, numeric fields should not be enclosed in quotes. For example, select asterisk symbol from customers where customer ID is equals to 2. Now if we compile this, it displays the customer detail with customer ID 2. Moving on to the SQL order by, this is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. And the syntax for this is select column 1, column 2 and more from table name, then order by column 1, column 2 and more, ASC or DESC. Here, ASC represents ascending and DESC represents the descending. And if you are not mentioning this query gives ascending order by default, but if you need descending order, then you have to mention DESC in the query. For example, select asterisk symbol from shippings, order by customer, DESC. Now if we compile this, as you can see the details have been displayed on the output screen. Look at the customer column. Here it is in descending order, that is 54321. Now let's see how to use both ascending and descending in the same query. For example, select asterisk symbol from customers, order by country, ascending, comma, first name, descending. Now if we compile this, the details are displayed. Now as per query, let's look at the country column. This column alphabetically is in ascending order as mentioned in the query. Likewise, the other columns are displayed. So this was all about how to use where clause and order by in the query. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.